Behind me is a 1970 Dodge Charger V10. Hello everybody, welcome to Ironhorse Classics. My name is Gray and I'm going to be showing you around this Dodge Charger today. Now there are a few things that make this thing unique. It's something that you would see out of a Fast and Furious movie that Vin Diesel would be driving. But before we get to what makes it unique, I want to go over some of the big features. Now starting in the front of the car, you get some aluminum wheels here. Now these look like they're steel wheels, but in fact they're actually aluminum, which makes it safer and lighter weight than traditional wheels. Now behind that, you get a large 6-piston brake kit that helps you stop this car. Now you need that because of what's under the hood, which is pushing about 600 horsepower. But we'll get back to that later. Now moving back alongside the car, you get the V10 badging right here with some custom mirrors with this beautiful black paint that runs along the entire car. Now here at Ironhorse, we've done a couple of things, including adding this vinyl top to this car, as well as redoing all of the trim. Now, Ironhorse is going to be doing a lot more to this car over the next few months than just a vinyl top and some trim. Some of those things include a new smoothed out cowl and smoothed out front bumpers and other bodywork, some brand new ground effects, as well as some new stripes and a full custom interior on this absolute beast of a 70s Charger. Now moving back alongside the car, we're finally at the back. This is a very, very long car, and there's a reason for that. These were basically land yachts back in the day, and they just don't make them like they used to. This thing is just absolutely massive, and I'd say it's very fitting for what you get here. Now, you can notice right here, we have the Viper logo with the VC edition right here. This was actually a custom built car by another shop about 10 years ago, but Ironhorse is coming in and refreshing every last piece of it. Now I want to show you guys the big ticket item, which is at the front of the car, and that's the motor. All right, so now that we're at the front of the car, I want to show you guys what's under the hood. Now, as you might have guessed, it is a Viper 8-liter V10 motor that pushes about 600 plus horsepower. Now, Ironhorse is going to be sending this off to a dyno to retune it and up that number just a little bit, but there are some really cool things under the hood. It's not just a regular V10. As you can see, you get the VC edition logo with the Viper logo in there as well. You get the custom valve covers that say Viper on them as well. And if any of you guys were actually doubting that this is a V10, if you just count the exhaust pipes, you got 5 right there, and you get 5 on this side as well. Now the attention to detail on this car is just immaculate. You get the fully Cerakoted charge pipes with every little detail with a logo or refinished to make this car just that much better. But you guys don't want to just look at this car, you want to see what it's like to drive, you want to hear what it sounds like. So we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys, give you guys a couple revs and a couple of flybys. So go ahead and enjoy this very unique Dodge Charger.